Hello guys, and welcome to yet another video in yet another early start. It is 5 AM and we are on the way to the Brecon Beacons to climb Penny Fan. Let's go. So it is 8:30 in the morning and we have made it to the car park at the bottom of Penny Fan. So hi Jace.
Hello.
Did you just hit your head on the boot? Oh dear, it starts. There's quite a few people here, so it looks like a nice path to walk, so that's good. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Oh, that was slippy. Oh. This is corn dew, if that's how you pronounce it. I hope it is. Let's get up there. Welcome to the top of a quiet corn dew. Corn dew. Sorry Wales. Check this drop out. Top of Penny Fan, and the clouds are starting to break here and there. Hopefully we're going to get a little break, but we shall see. So we've done Penny Fan, we've done corn dew, now we're going to go to cribyn. See what that looks like, and it is down that way. So that's Penny Fan. Now we've come down to go back up to cribyn with the water crossing. I'll be honest, I'm not looking forward to this one. Just look at it. See the two boys up there? One foot in front of the other. Let's go. Cribyn. That was horrible for me. So behind us, cribyn, all the way up there. Now we're going to the fourth summit, which is Fanway Big. I hope that's how you pronounce it. I'm sure you'll tell me in the comments. And now we're going all the way up there. Wow, what a place. What a place. That's peak number 4. So we've completed to the 4 peaks on this trail, but now we've got to go back over that way. Basically the car's on the other side of that mountain. This is absolutely brutal, coming back up to the ridge line just below Corn Dew.
Come on, Greg, get there, son.
Last push, we're almost there. Look where we come from. Woo! This is the route that we've been. There's Fanway Big, there's cribyn, Penny Fan, just the other side, there's Corn Dew. What a walk! All the way along and around. We came down about here, come back up. What a place. Wow. And we've made it to the car park. Yes! Oh, I think it's time for the pub. After I've got my boots off. finished today at the Cripple Creek Inn. Absolutely gorgeous food, recommend it. But for now, we will see you in the next video.